If you had logged into your ChatGPT on a computer or device that you are no longer using and you wish to log out remotely, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to log out of all devices, then head to your ChatGPT account and click on your profile icon, then head to settings. Under this, go to security here. And now you can see we have, if you scroll down, the option either to log out of this device or log out of all devices. You're told here, if you log out of all devices, all sessions across all devices, including your current session, will be logged out, and it may take up to 30 minutes for other devices to be logged out. So you have to note that it might take time. Now, to effect this, go ahead and click on log out of all. So that's how you can log out of all devices on ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.